Okay, here we are at Colombo's new edition, One Galle Face Mall. We just entered here, and this is another prime location and hotspot in Colombo. So we also just came in and we wanted to show you what is inside, what is available, what are the excitement you can get it here. So we'll go inside and see what are the things available around this One Galle Face. I can see there are some international brands, so like Statham and Mont Blanc, Longines, now Moschino, and this is a new addition to Sri Lankan landscape. So now I am standing here at Tommy Hilfiger outlet, and now you see model outlet is here. So let's go inside and see what is more excited. So I wanted to, especially wanted to show some ladies lingerie brands, Yamame. Normally you get on your first floor, you get your local brands as well as I can see some other international brands. Now you see some jewelry accessories are here. Now you see Mango Store. It's another world famous brand. Now here you get HSBC brand, HSBC Bank, you get commercial bank here, and I see there is Samsung store. So we are taking you to the next level, and we'll see what's more excited in the first level. But we say I'm also excited to see what is available, and you see the nice ambience are here. You can see nice ambience. You see Hamidia, DXL, FOA, some international brands and local brands. The clothing store, these are one of the leading brands in Sri Lanka. So we are headed to, okay, we are here at Moda outlet. First Galle Face Mall is opened on 8th of November 2019, and we will try to take you through this whole mall, what you get, and it's a very branded and high-end quality products, and each and every store is designed, and each and every store has been designed and make sure it's conveniently you can purchase the products. And there's another Sri Lankan Ceylon tea, Halpe tea. So you can see Halpe tea stall is here, and you can see nice brand. Quality teas. So we'll go little more further and we'll see what is availability. I would like to interact with somebody who experiencing here, and I wanted to get their feelings. What do you feel here, and what you get from here, and in this new venue or new hotspot in Colombo One Galle Face Mall. We'll see Arcade. Lanka Arcade is one of the novelty souvenir shop in Sri Lanka. You get ethnic novelties and souvenirs. Level B. So we'll go and see what are the things available in this level. As we see, there are a lot of fashion outlets and daily need outlets. Now we see in this area there are some makeup store. Now I see there is another branded clothing store. Sketchers. We'll go a little further and see what are the some more exciting upside available. I can see the large crowd is walking around the mall, and they wanted to excite what is there. I am also so much excited to see what is available in the fifth floor. So let's have a look around. What are the fantastic things? What are the happiness things you can see at fifth floor? Galle Face Mall. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So visit Sri Lanka, and One Galle Face Mall is the heart of the city in Colombo. So you can, once you visit here, you will have a wide variety of brands, clothing brands, fashion brands, and for the kids you can get a variety of food options. Even you can enjoy the movies. So I invite everyone to visit Sri Lanka and keep your itinerary and keep your to-do list. Visit once in One Galle Face Mall. I'll see you my next location. Until then, peace.